Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Erin Yvette, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for joining. I hope that you like what you see and you press that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. This is like a stupid quick when your friends say, girl, we about to go to the club, you coming with us type hairstyle. I love the wet look because I feel like it's perfect for summertime. You don't have to worry about it. It's super edgy and glam, but you didn't have to do a lot of work. So today I'm showing you my own version of the wet look. I am so glad and excited to be back, you guys. I am very rusty, okay, but nonetheless I'm gonna be kicking out content left and right. So if you are not subscribed, hun, I would highly suggest you to hop on board. Okay, get bored. Get on board. My Instagram, so if you have not been following me at Miss Erin Yvette on Instagram, stop what you're doing right now. Follow me at Miss Erin Yvette. I'm going to be showing you how I rock this unit. I will link down all the information below if you want to check out Arison hair and check out any more of their units. So if you're interested in see how I cut and style this unit, since you already know what to do, keep watching. Y'all, I'm starting with old braids, but they're moisturized. Before I go in with anything, I'm just going to probably want to take off my makeup, but the perks of not gluing down my wig is that I don't have to take off my makeup. Praise God, hallelujah. So today we're not going to be doing that. I might regret it later, but right now, sis, we're just gonna leave our face. Brought to you by Fenty. Yes, Rihanna. Y'all, lately I've been sticking with my go-to gel, which is the Eco Styling Gel. I've been switching, trying different products. Nothing has been seeming to work, honestly, truly. So we're just gonna stick with our old fave. I'm gonna be going in really quickly, not really trying too hard, but just taming my edges a little bit. If you are new to my channel, I am extremely hairy, and lately, honestly guys, I have been blending my natural baby hair with my wigs. So I'm just gonna leave out my baby hair that is super close. After my cap is secured, I like going in with some makeup. I've been switching around. It doesn't matter what you use, this honestly, truly. And this is the CoverGirl Clean Powder. As you can see, I've hit pan on it. So what you're gonna do is take a light layer of your go-to gel. I'm just using this. You can get these from your beauty supply store for like $1, sis. I get these all the time. And I'm just gonna go in with my perimeter really quickly. Now I'm gonna go in with some Got To Be glue. Now the reason why I say this is glueless is because I'm not going in with all the steps and all the layers that you would on a normal install. So I like to stick some right in the center because I know I want that part to lay down. That's where everybody's gonna be looking. So that's where I put my glue. I'm also taking a little bit of extra gel in the areas that may be a little bit difficult to lay down. So like right here on the sides. And as you can see, my makeup is blending in. So yeah. So you guys have probably seen a sneak by now, but today's unit is brought by Arison. Am I saying it right? Arison? I listed right here on the screen. They were so kind to reach out to your girl. So they were so kind to sponsor this beautiful lavender wig, perfect for the summer. So this unit came in this really pretty silk satiny hot pink bag. So cute. I've actually never received this in packaging before, so I was like, oh my god, perfect to carry your wigs when you're traveling. And yes, I switch my wigs on vacation. Comment down below if you guys do that as well. So this is the unit right here, a gorgeous purple. Come on now, thumbs up just for this color, you guys. Like, I have been trying to try a lavender for the longest. If you guys have been following me for a while, you'll know that I also attempted to achieve this color myself, but this vibrant purple color I've never done. It's giving me Justine Skye. Am I saying her name right? Justine Skye. I hope I'm saying her name right. I love her. But yes, the purple on the chocolate skin is a go, so I cannot wait to get into this unit. While the glue is drying and getting a little bit tacky, I'm gonna go in with the front. I do want to show you guys the interior of this unit. And the inside of my unit here has makeup on it as well. So I'm just tightening that elastic in the back. Can y'all see what I did there? Just so that it's a little bit more snug on my head, because ooh, okay, that clip is annoying, but whatever. Just gonna so it's not cut even, but that's kind of the point. Who cares? So now you guys can see that highlight effect of the lace that I'm getting that I really hate. So I'm gonna go in with some more powder. Actually wet my hair. I have some water in this water bottle. Now, I'm sure there's probably an easier way to get the wet look without wetting your hair, but I mean, what's easier than actually being wet? So now I'm just gonna go in with some mousse. This is the Elasta OP Olive Oil and Mango Butter Design Foam. I don't know, some random mousse, and I'm taking a lot. Yeah, I'm getting excited. Excited. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, because it's not giving me like, I don't know what I want, but it's not what I want. A little at a time, my Eco Styler Gel. And yeah, that's what I want. Just something hard. I don't know. I don't know how to explain myself, but you see it. Okay, so normal, wet look. Is it coming along? I don't know. Maybe I should go with some more gel. Let's go with some more gel. So y'all, this is the final look. Of course, the back can be trimmed a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and keep reiterating that because I know somebody in the comments is going to get me, but it's all right, sis, we're still cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super quick tutorial. I hope you guys learned something, and I will see you guys in my next upload.